Is house wrap really necessary? Hey, I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and in this episode of Footings to Finished, we're figuring out what the heck is house wrap? Wow, it is a chilly day here on the job site. So house wrap, is it necessary? The answer is absolutely yes. It actually acts as a moisture barrier to keep moisture out, but it also allows water vapor to flow through. Basically, it's going to keep your home nice and dry. And yes, you need it in no matter what climate you live in. Another update we have this week is we've put in the footings here to add the sunroom to the back of the house. Another change we had to the house this week is the buyers came in and they wanted a bigger foyer, a little bit more breezy, more sitting room. So what we did is we turned the walk-up attic into a pull down. That way we were able to reconfigure how the home is laid out. In fact, we do this a lot. As long as we can change the home and it's structurally safe, we want to make changes to make it the perfect home just for you. Make sure you tune in every Wednesday at 5 p.m. for the latest episode of Footings to Finished as we complete these houses here at Oakland Ridge Estates in Pelham, New Hampshire. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass. I am absolutely freezing and I got to get in and get warm. I'll see you next week.